within 1 hour, so I think so. Let's go. I forgot where we at the car. So let's go and find the car. Just the second building. It's kind of like us, a little emergency exit, but we're not in a house. We're in a building that we just passed through the first building. Here's the second one. Let's go on the second floor. The outside. No. So, elevator, and an iPad, on iSetting, see, I have a blue iPad, just blue iPad, I have the iPad A16. That's Town Square Park. There's the security around that we don't care. It is a bit of a sense as it stopped raining. Dubai International Academy.你知道那个东西也是学校吗？是吧？对，是那个大的学校。哦。And it's a bit long. Before the campsite and that Earth one was in a different spot, and now it's starting to build. So now the KFC and the starting whatever has ramen. 所以嘛都变成泥了。你看他们给挪到这儿了 ，That's the inside of the start thing. Heard these. Sorry, we're back. Huh? Our car is about to start. Our car is like a bit stuck. It's a bit complicated. 然后你看这些肯德基呀。The KFC is right over there. The Hardee's are every corner.
踩这边石头上，这样子。
因为我踩泥上了。
不行，踩石头。
喂。
我都不让你上车。
There's some metal here.
大暴雨呀，大呀大暴雨，大暴雨。
踩泥上呀。
啊，地板姐姐。
我要踩泥上了。I stepped in so much mud. There are a few rocks though.
谁给我车擦了？
然后你的呢？ Here, if you ever want to talk to me, my CarPlay number is A94649. Our CarPlay. That was the number that I just called you.
你看你这些，踩着泥。
啊，不用管。你也踩到泥了，你看。
我有吗？我可能还有。那啥吧，充电吧。
Okay, I'm gonna charge my iPad. We're gonna start the drive. It's gonna take us too long.
把所有的车都给擦一遍，老天爷。
对，我可以坐这里。
这是你权利。
Nice. That's my iPad. It's blue. Doesn't matter. It is already 3 p.m.
Đà Lạt sẽ hay mặc
Hả?
Đà Lạt sẽ hay mặc đây. Đà Lạt sẽ hay mặc
Oh my
Đà Lạt
gosh.
sẽ hay mặc chuyện gì mà sao nó sửa đi.
It's so dangerous and rainy right now. Right now, my friend is okay right now. But not something. It is a bit tiring and exhausting. Okay, so
我要走导航。
我先走到底啊。好，我走。
你开呗，你下来开吧，快。
老师，然后你要走啊？你想倒车还是？
我倒啥车呀？我后边有车呢。
有，没有？到底
我出不去，我得搁前头出去。
还能这样的？可以走导航吗？ It is gonna be a bit quiet on our way. Stay tuned for part 2.